All right. That's gonna go like that. If you handle this and you guys like to bite film to do this, don't bite it at the top. That's where the customer sees the most, so it'll look horrible. Bite it on the bottom, or do whatever you're gonna do at the bottom. Okay, so I would prefer to just wet the pattern and not the glass, so it won't dislodge a lot of contaminants from the top to the bottom. All right, there's your pattern, and let me just go ahead. I really love the no gap look, really good, and it's really tight, close in sides. Okay, I'm done with that. Let's go ahead and do this now. This guy here. Touch the top. There'll be no dirt and shit coming down. These are the notorious cars that have peanuts, and I guess I should stop for a moment and show you how we get rid of the peanuts. If there's peanuts here, we use one of this stuff right here, touch it, and then this guy in the back is going to go ahead and hit it with a gray card like that, and we'll get rid of them. We also have the car on with the rear defroster on for the same reason. Okay, here on the side is where I'm telling you to just go ahead and walk this whatever contaminants down and leave them down, because we're going to touch this with a film and it won't get any contaminants at the end of the day, just like that. Okay. Oh, I forgot the bottom. Way at the bottom where you didn't do anything, I like to do this so when I drop it there ain't shit down there. Okay, now we're complete, and let's go right here. Okay, let's go ahead and let her drop. Touch, touch, and like I said, inevitably it might touch here. You see that? And then just do this and then put it back where it was. Walk it. Oh man, I put it way too deep in there. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. No gap alike. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I'll share with you right now how it looks there on the side, because I did talk to you about no contamination there on the side. So I want you to see when Mike says no contamination, what does he mean? Is he full of shit or what? Okay, there it is. If you can find, there is a speck right there. That probably has to do with my fingers or something. Okay, there it is. Okay, here on the side, I want you to see there's nothing, due to the fact that we walked a lot of that debris down with soap and water. It did its job. Phenomenal. All right, we're done. Touch the bottom. Good. Sides. Good. Sides good. We clean up, we install the gaskets, and we roll her out of here. and I just have to really remove the gaskets and tape it up so it can give me a super high quality job, versus the two staging. It's, you know, it'll kill me. It'll be different. I can do it, but maybe another video. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.